Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to cover how to get your refund from Dana application. I don't know, I did not have much information about it, but when I got this comment, so I just searched on Google and got to know that it's a payment gateway. So you can just see it right here. See here, I'll tell you multiple ways, but as this would be your first attempt to get your refund from Dana application, what you need to do, it's good if you are applying for all ways. First way is, you can see this, okay, downside, it's spiceram@dana.com. You need to write a mail on this mail id, and also you can just put another mail id in cc. See, this is the mail id, you can see this, it's spiceram@dana.com, dana.com, and I hope you are talking about dana.com. okay, so I am talking about this product. You can just see the logo here. This is the aftermarket logo, you can see it right here on the top of it. Okay, this is the logo here. I am just hoping that you are talking about this Dana application, Dana aftermarket.in, and also dana.com, that is for worldwide, dana.com, and for India it's dana aftermarket.in. okay, so I will be telling you multiple ways. First way is to write a mail to spiceram@dana.com saying that, hey team, this much amount has been deducted from my account. Whatever amount was there, you can just put that amount, and I don't need this subscription. Whatever you have taken from Dana app, or product, or any subscription or any services, you can just mention it right there. And it is of no use for me, this money is very important for me, please refund my money, and I am looking forward to get my refund as soon as possible. Regards, whatever your name is, you can just put it right there. okay, so this is first way to. And when you will be writing an email to this mail is spiceram@dana.com, what you need to do, also put this mail in cc. I'm just telling you, you can see this, it's Dana India M, you can see this @dana.com. I'll put all these mail IDs links in the description box, you can take it from there. okay, so what you need to do, you need to send a mail to spiceram@dana.com, and also in the same mail you need to put this mail in cc, this red line, you can see this, DANA India AM@dana.com. you need to put this in cc. okay, send this mail to the team. Next step, this is first way. okay, next step is, so even in first way you have already touched two mail IDs. First is international mail ID, and second is this Indian mail ID that you @dana.com. you can see this, that is a worldwide mail ID, but we are touching two mail IDs. okay, next way is, you can fill this form also, put your name, last name, Dana product group, whatever product group you are in, and the company name, this everything you can just see, and click on in message. You can make it more detailing, like detailed, that you are looking forward to your refund, and then just send this message. You'll get your refund within maybe 5 to 6 days. Firstly, you need to wait for their reply, whatever reply they are saying, they are giving to you. If they are saying do not we cannot refund your money or anything like this, just let me know in the comment section and in this video. okay, so that there would be no further confusion for me. And yeah, make sure to use the same mail ID while you are going to send a mail to them, that you are using to log in to this Dana aftermarket. okay, and you'll get your money. Just that you need to keep on sending one mail daily. You can fill this form just once, you need not to do it on a daily basis, just fill this form once. But mail, if I talk about mail, where you need to send a mail to spiceram@dana.com, and then also put this mail in cc, this one. okay, so this mail, whatever content is there in the mail, you need to send the same content on a daily basis to these two mail ID. so spiceram@dana.com would be the main your say recipient. okay, and then cc you need to put this on a daily basis. And if you get your amount, just let me know. It's good if I get update from whoever is suffering to get their refund, or if they are not like, if you are facing issue, you can just let me know. And if you get your refund, just let me know that too. I hope this will be helpful for you. You will get your refund. And yeah, I am here. If you feel any issue, or if you face anything, you can just let me know. I'll try to cover it again. this is the right way, this is the only way to get your refund from dana.com. And all you need to do is to stay consistent, to mail them on a daily basis. You need to send one mail, don't spam, don't send multiple mails after 1 hour, after 1 hour. Don't do it, just send one mail on a daily basis. Make sure to put this mail id in cc, okay? And Spiceram at the Spiceram@dana.com in the main main recipient, okay? So yeah, this is going to helpful for you. I'll put everything in the description box. Just take it from description box and just do it as soon as possible. The main thing is the sooner you are going to apply for your refund, the sooner you will get your, or there will be chances to get your refund, okay? So yeah, stay tuned, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and also please make sure to hype my videos, because hyping videos will boost small channels. So yeah, please help me in that too. So stay tuned, bye and take care.